In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Jira Sync and import projects into Shortcut. By the end, you'll have your Jira projects, stories, and workflows brought into Shortcut and ready to use. Start by opening Shortcut. Once you're in your workspace, let's look to the top navigation and click your workspace name. This opens the area where you can make organization level changes. From there, choose Manage Workspace. If you don't see this option, you may need workspace admin access, so just make sure you're operating with the right permissions. Next, go to Settings. This is where all import and integration controls live. Inside Settings, click Import/Yar Sync. You'll see several options for bringing data into Shortcut. Find the Jira Sync section. This is specifically designed to migrate or synchronize data from Jira. Click Setup Jira Sync. A guided setup will open to help you connect the two systems. Now, connect your Jira account. You may be prompted to sign into Jira or select the appropriate Jira site. Make sure you're using an account with access to the projects you plan to import so everything comes over correctly. Authorize Shortcut to access Jira. This permission allows Shortcut to read your projects, issues, and associated fields so it can map them into Shortcut structure. Review the permissions prompt, then confirm to continue. You can usually revoke access later from either platform's integrations page if needed. Next, select the Jira projects you want to import. Choose only what you need to keep the import targeted and faster. If your projects are large, consider starting with one or two to verify your mappings before doing the rest. Before you run anything, review your Jira stories and workflows as they'll appear in Shortcut. Pay attention to how issue types, statuses, and fields will map. Confirm that your states line up with the way your team works in Shortcut so you don't end up with confusing transitions or missing values. When everything looks right, start the Jira migration or sync. Migration will bring over a snapshot, while sync can keep data aligned going forward. Pick the option that matches your team's needs and kick off the process. Now wait for the import process to finish. Keep the window open and watch the progress indicator. Large imports can take time, so be patient. Finally, review your imported tasks in Shortcut. Open a few projects and stories to spot check titles, descriptions, statuses, assignees, and links. If everything looks good, you're ready to work in Shortcut with your Jira data in place.